Good morning, students. Good morning. Okay. Am I audible to you? Am I audible to you? Okay. So, now let's start. Now, this is your EVS class. Okay. In the last yesterday offline classes, we have already completed our chapter Living Safely. Question answer already completed. Tick the correct word. Write any 4 safety rules that you follow and look at the children playing at home. Tick the safe activity and cross out the unsafe activities. Okay, and why do we see so many signs on the road? And write what these traffic signs signify. Okay, now our today's topic is new chapter, the earth. Okay, our chapter, the earth. Okay, in only planet that the earth, the human beings or the animals or any other living organism live in this planet, that is called the earth. Okay, and we call the earth our home because we all animals, plants and other living things like different animals, okay, live on it, so we call the earth our home. Open your EVS book, page number 95. Good morning all of you. Okay, your new chapter number 19, the earth. Okay, so the earth, the only planet which we live in. We means all animals and plants. So we call the earth our home because we all animals and plants. Good morning all of you, Firoj Shrestha. Okay, so now let's start. We all animals and plants live on it, and our earth is round in shape like an orange. Okay, orange, like orange, our earth is round in shape. Okay, so first we call the earth our home. We call the earth our home. Okay, why we call the earth our home? Anyone tell the answer? In your chat box write down why we call the earth our home. First, why we call the earth our home? Because only the planet Earth, we all the living things like animals and plants live on it. So, we call the Earth is our home. Okay? Typing fast. Do it fast. Because we live on it. Very good, Pratyusha. So, we call the earth our home because we all living things, we all like animals, yes, we called the earth, Sujan, we called the earth our home. We all animals and plants live in it. Okay, very good, Purbayan, because we live it. Very good. Live on it. Okay. Okay, so because we all like animals, plants, live on it. So, we call the earth our home. Okay. Next, so our earth, which shape? Nihan, very good, because we live on it. Very good. So, next, which structure? Yes, round, very good. Our earth is round in shape and like an orange. Round, very good. Pratyusha, Shrestha, Purbayan, Sujan. Okay. So, which shape shown the earth? So, our earth is round. Ma'am, I cannot. Firoz, here is all okay. You first cut the call and then rejoin. Snigdha, very good. Round. Yes, round like an orange. Yes. So, our earth is round in shape and like an orange. Okay. So, here this structure. Okay. So, this is earth and our earth is, this is the earth. EARTH. Okay, and here so many plants, animals. Okay, so our earth is round in shape. Okay, our earth is round in shape like an orange. Okay, so like an orange. Okay, so our earth is round in shape and it likes an orange. Yes, oval like structure. Okay. So, next, more than of our earth is covered with water. So, next, our earth is round in shape usually. So, next, in the more of the water is covered the surface of the earth or the surface of the earth. Snigdha, first cut the call and then rejoin. All of you, can you see me? And am I audible to you? Okay. So, first Snigdha cut the call and then rejoin. And Sujan also. here all is okay. So next, more than half of our earth, okay, so earth surface, more than half of our earth surface is covered with water, okay, and that is why the earth is also called a blue planet. Why the earth is called blue planet? Because our earth, or more than half of our earth, is covered with water. That is why the earth is also called a blue planet. So earth, another name. What is the another name of blue earth? What is the another name of earth? Do it fast. Yes, very good, Susan. Blue planet. Fast, anyone? Next question. What is the another? Firoz, here is all okay. If you first take your cut your call and then rejoin. Yes, Wasim, blue planet, Protusha, Oujasik, Biswas, very good. Nihan, very good. Blue planet. So, see, what is the another? What is the another or other name of the earth? Okay. So answer is blue planet. And why? Why the earth is called blue planet? Because more than half of our earth is covered with water. Okay, more than half, so there is planet, so more than half, so half there is, okay, more than half that is full of water. So that's why the earth is called the blue planet. Okay, so answer is more than. Why? Okay, so more than half of, HALF, half of okay. Snigdha, stop your recording. Yes, very good, Nihan. More than half is covered with water. Very good. So answer is why we call the earth blue planet, because more than half of our earth, EARTH, more than half of our earth is covered, is COVERED. More than half of our earth is covered with water. Okay? That is why the earth is also called a blue planet. That is why that is why the earth is called blue planet. PLA unity. Okay. Next, the rest of it is land. So half, more than half, that is water, and the rest of it is land. And we live on land, and many aquatic animals or plant or water, the plants or animals which are lived in water, they are in water, and the rest of the earth, that is the land. Okay, so the rest of it is land, and we live on land. Okay, many animals and human beings, okay, they live on land. Okay, so first, the rest of it is land. So next, the rest of it is land, and we live on land, and we live on land. Okay, so I repeat again, the earth, only the planet, the earth we live in. Okay, and we call the earth our home because we all animals and plants live on it, and our earth is round in shape like an orange. Reduce. Nihan, what is this reduce, reuse, recycle? So we call the earth our home because we all animals and plants live on it, and our earth is round in shape like an orange, and more than half of our earth is covered with water. That is why the earth is also called a blue planet. Okay, more than half of our earth is covered with water, and that is why the earth is also called a blue planet. Okay, so rest of the part, the rest of it is land. So more than half, that is water, and the rest of the earth is land, and we live on land. Okay, so now I have completed up to this topic, the earth, and the next classes we will start our rest of the topic. Okay, and students who are present, response P, and don't leave the class.